Hello everyone, I am Rihana. In this episode, I will be showing you how to make tasty tea in microwave oven. So firstly, take less than quarter glass of water and to this water add 2 tablespoons of tea powder. Then add required amount of sugar as per your taste. Now we have to microwave this. We are microwaving for 50 seconds first. So please note, first we will microwave only for 50 seconds. Don't keep it for longer time. See, in 50 seconds the tea powder have nicely boiled in the water, and to this now you can add milk. So after adding the milk, mix well and again we have to microwave. Now this time we have to microwave the tea for 1 minute, and that's it. The tea is ready after 1 minute. So let's see how our tea has come out. Wow, our tasty and hot tea is ready to drink. Oh, there is some tea powder left behind, so we just have to strain this out and then enjoy. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do like, comment and share with your friends and family, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel Cookeryshow, and see you soon in another episode with another simple recipe. Till that time, bye bye.